Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Welcome or welcome back po dito sa Bono Magus PH. My name is Angel Francia Feliciano. Now in today's video, Aries, alamin natin kung ano yung mga pasabog na magaganap sa inyong buhay ngayong taong 2025. Now paalala lang, Aries, at sa lahat po ng mga nanonood, lahat ng tarot readings ko dito sa YouTube channel na to ay general reading. Now if ever na hindi nyo magustuhan yung mga ibang mga pasabog na lalabas dito, please lagi yung tandaan na maging silbing gabay lang po sana, no? Yung mga hindi nyo nagustuhang mga kapalaran or mga pasabog na lalabas dito. Ayan, so titignan natin na ngayon, Aries, kung anong mga pasabog na mangyayari sa inyo sa taong 2025. Let's start with Ace of Cups. Ayan. Next energy, you have the Emperor. Wow, your power card. Next is Four of Swords. Next energy is the Ten of Cups. Wow. Okay. Ayan, ayusin natin. I want to make sure na makikita nyo yung mga baraha. Next energy is the World card. Major Arcana. Next is the Ace of Wands. Ayan, ayusin natin. Ace of Wands. And next energy is the Sun card. Wow. Okay, next energy, you have the King of Cups. Next is the Five of Cups. And last but not the least, Aries, you have the Death card. Ayan, so isa-isahin natin to ngayon. Okay. So the Ace of Cups, Aries, is sa mga pasabog na mangyayari sa buhay ninyo is may bagong pag-ibig, or mga Aries natin dyan na single last year, mukhang pumapag-ibig ngayong 2025 or makaka-receive kayo ng offer, romantic or financial offer. But mostly this is about a new romance, new romantic relationship happening for you in 2025. Mukhang meron din gustong manghingi ng sorry, may gustong mag-sorry. Mag-ingat lang sa mga ibang Aries na meron ng karelasyon or nagli-live-in. Mukhang merong mabubuntis sa inyo. Kung babae ka, mabubuntis ka, Aries, may posibilidad, okay? May possibility na mabubuntis yung mga babaeng Aries natin na nanonood. Or, kung ikaw naman ay Aries na lalaki na nanonood, posibleng meron kang mabubuntisan ngayong taon na to, 2025. Isa yun sa mga pasabog, no? But overall, meron kayong, for some of you, meron kayong matatanggap na parang offer. Either invitation, social invitation, a wedding, meron din na kayong proposal. Ayan. Next energy is the Emperor. This is your power card, Aries. Sa taong 2025, isa sa mga pasabog na mangyayari sa inyong buhay is magbabago ang inyong personalidad. Maging mas powerful kayo, maging mas confident. Meron kayong tinatawag na authority, no? Mukhang may mga taong mataas ang tingin sa'yo, mag-iiba ang tingin sa'yo, or parang rirespetoin kayo this year. Parang malaki ang respetong matatanggap mo sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. Some of you are lalabas ang iyong kakayahan, power, skills. Ayan. Some of you is mapopromote sa work and parang maano yung mga leadership skills ninyo. Parang maipapamalas ninyo this year. And also, there is a sense that there's energy na gusto mong protektahan ang iyong mga assets, financial assets, sa mga ganyan. Next energy, Aries, is the Four of Swords. There's some changes within your sleep cycle. Sa mga Aries natin dyan na last year, parang nagkakaproblema sa insomnia. This year, mukhang mababago yan, or may changes sa yung sleep patterns, okay? Iba sa inyo makakaranas ng insomnia if ever na hindi nyo pa naranasan ang insomnia. And there's something about merong hindi mawala-wala sa isipan nyo this year, Aries. Like, always kayo mag-overthink about this situation or about something in your life this year. Wag iwasan mag-overthink, no? Baka kasi kung ano-ano nang pumapasok yan, mga fear, anxiety, or baka yan ang ikakadulot na stress sa inyong buhay. And I feel like gusto mo lang mapag-isa. And there's something about you're always meditating, praying, you're always praying. Ganyan. Okay, next energy, you have the Ten of Cups. Wow, Aries, this looks like a blessing na papasok sa inyong pamilya, sa inyong tahanan. And it looks like this year, isa sa mga pasabog, shocking moment is magiging masaya, especially sa mga Aries na dati for the past few years, hindi kayo masaya as buong family, as whole family, like lagi ka nag-aaway. This year, mukhang masya kayo na, wow, lahat kami nagkakasundo, magkakapatid, magpipinsan, or even like your primary family, mag-asawa. And there's also like reconciliation na mangyayari, especially sa mga Aries na nagkawatak ang pamilya. Okay, parents nagiwalay, magkakabalikan. It really looks like, but most of all, ang Ten of Cups, this is like overpouring of happiness with blessings. May blessing or blessings na darating sa inyong buhay, Aries. Next, you have the World card. It really looks like, Aries, na meron kayong ma-achieve na malaking bagay this year, sa taong 2025. Meron kayong ma-achieve na hindi nyo akalain na ma-achieve ninyo this year. Okay? Because the World card is a card of success, accomplishment, completion, and meron ding travel na mangyayari, magaganap sa inyong Aries, kaya expect some unexpected travel, like masasya ka na hindi mo inasahan na kailangan mong magbiyahe, kailangan mong umuwi, kailangan mong magbiyahe para sa trabaho, for work. But overall, this brings satisfaction in your love, in your career, in your whole life. In some aspects of your life, you will feel satisfied. And it really looks like na also there's an ending na mangyayari na hindi nyo akalain. But when there's an ending, there's a new beginning naman happening. Okay? Next, Aries, you have the Ace of Wands. It looks like this year, meron kayo matatanggap na good news. It looks like in conjunction with the World card, some of you is makaka-receive ng good news na makakapunta kayo sa ibang bansa, makakapagtrabaho kayo sa ibang bansa, and some of you meron kayong uumpisahan, either a project, negosyo, trabaho. Some of you, it's a job na inyong uumpisahan this year at magbibigay sa inyo ng napakagandang balita, or magbibigay, excited kayo, or either excited kayo or pursigido kayong pagtrabahuin itong new beginning related sa career, project, negosyo, trabaho. And but overall, there's something about a new beginning na excited ka, and hindi mo akalain na mangyayari sa inyo, Aries. Next is the Sun card, Aries. The Sun card is also about success, positivity, freedom. Ayan, for those of you, masyashock kayo because it looks like magiging maginhawa ang inyong most of the time, magiging maginhawa ang inyong buhay this year. And you will feel the success talaga. All throughout your life this year, you will feel the success. Okay? And optimism. And for those of you, Aries, isa sa mga pasabog is, yung iba sa inyo magkakaanak ng lalaki. Hindi nyo in-expect na lalaki, or maybe, ayan. And for those of you na Aries na laging minamalas for the past few months or past few years, magugulat kayo na napakaswerte nyo this year. Okay, dumabas dito yung word na good luck. I think sunod-sunod yung swerteng papasok sa buhay nyo this year is what I'm getting. Like, talagang mag-overjoyed kayo sa saya, and mafe-feel ninyo na parang, wow, ang swerte-swerte ko. And there's also a change in your personality, where kung dati-dati ay gloomy ka, sad ka, lagi kang nadidepress, this whole year, most of the time, lagi kang masaya. Yung energy levels ninyo is tataas, very energetic kayo, laging masaya. Ayan, Aries. This energy, Aries, is the King of Cups. Sa mga father figure dyan, or like if you're a single father, if you're already a father, or magiging father ka, or if you still have father, there's some changes with regards to how they feel, ang nararamdaman nila or yung nararamdaman mo bilang father. Like, it's either, a lot of you Aries, magbabago ang inyong nararamdaman. Magbabago ang inyong feelings all throughout. Some of you, merong fluctuations sa mood, either maging masaya, but most of all, this is masaya. Masaya for a lot of you, like, And also, magiging mas caring ka this year, magiging sensitive. It's shocking na, halos Aries, naging sobrang sensitive this year. And also, there's someone in your life na maghihingi ng sorry na hindi mo in-expect na manghihingi siya ng sorry. And there's something about a husband. For those of you Aries na may mga husband kayo, water sign man or hindi, regardless ko ng zodiac sign, magbabago ang kanyang personality as a father. Magugulat ka na devoted siya. If ever before hindi siya devoted as a father or hindi siya committed as a father, ngayon magiging mas committed kayo. Or maybe ikaw mismo Aries, if you are a father, magiging mas devoted kayo sa mga anak ninyo or being as a husband. There's something about your responsibilities as a husband magbabago. Something like that. Okay? Energy Aries is the 5 of Cups. It looks like some of you, hindi lahat, makaka-experience ng grief, loss, kawalan, emptiness. Yung iba sa inyo, maiiwanan, feeling abandoned. Wag naman sana. And also makaka-experience ng regret. This is a shocking event. Hindi mo inasahan na yung iba sa inyo iiwanan ng spouse, iiwanan ng isang kaibigan. Maka-experience ng very sad moment na hindi mo in-expect. Like, hindi ko in-expect na mangyayari to. And it's kind of very sad. It's a sad moment. Either nawalan ka, tatalikuran ka, ibabusted ka, or i-reject ka, or someone will say no to you, something like that. And last but not the least na pasabog sa iyo, Aries, is the Death card. The Death card is all about changes. There are some changes or pagbabago na magaganap o mangyayari sa buhay ninyo, Aries, na hindi ninyo inaasahan. It's sort of like a shocking moments. Kaya nga, pasabog. We're talking about shocking moments, pasabog na, wow, I did not expect these changes. Maybe some of you, these changes, ng mga pagbabago na to ay maganda. May magandang maidudulot. Some of you, hindi nyo mahirap tanggapin sa una. In the beginning, mahirap tanggapin. But later on, ma-realize nyo na, there's a reason pala. Okay, mayroon palang rason bakit nangyari yung mga changes. This could be you losing a job, mawalan ng trabaho, a relationship that will end, or magtatapos, yun nga, may mahiwalay mangyari, or could be totally magandang pagbabago, like pagle-level up. There are some changes in your life this year, Aries, na ikakashock mo, na hindi mo inaasahan. Particularly in your personalities, the way you talk, the way you carry yourself, the way your mindset even, yung mga pananaw mo sa buhay, and the way you handle things. May pagbabago. Lahat, in all aspects in your life, may mga changes. So, get ready, accept this change, embrace it, because it's meant to happen para sa inyong kaunlaran. Now, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement, iyan po ang mga pasabog na magaganap sa inyong buhay this year. Let me know if nag-resonate. Let me know if nagustuhan ninyo. Like this video at mag-subscribe kayo. Especially for those of you who are interested na sumali or maka-join sa libreng pahula na laging gaganapin dito, mostly weekend or minsan surprise live. YouTube live lang. Dito lang sa YouTube. Wala sa Facebook. But for those of you who are interested to find out mga produkto ko, like pangontra sa kulam, palipad hangin, protection oil, healing oil, money oil, lahat na mga pampaswerte, spell jars, ayan, just i-check nyo lang sa website ko. And for those of you who are interested, magkano ang private reading, andun din. Everything is on my website, if not sa Facebook page ko, Bono Magos PH. Ayan. And don't worry, because I'll give you an instruction on how to place an order, saan makikita yung items ko. After this, may papakita akong video. Kaya muna kayo alis, Aries, magbabalik po ako. Maraming salamat, Aries. I hope to see you again next time. Ingat po and God bless. Hello! Ayan. So, mga interesado pong makita yung mga produkto ko. Ayan. Lahat po ay nakalista, or all of my products are listed on my website. So, paano po mahanap ang aking website? You just type here, kunyari, ito yung phone mo. If you are using Google, ayan, i-type nyo lang sa search bar, ayan, type nyo lang yung www bonhommmagus.com. And then click search. Okay, lalabas po yan. First, you have to accept all. Click the accept all cookies. Ayan. So, dito nyo makikita yung mga produkto ko. Ito yung unang bubungan sa inyo sa website. Nakikita nyo yung dalawang linya dyan sa taas. I-click nyo yan para makita nyo yung navigation pages. Yung navigation ng mga menu or pages. Dyan, nandyan yung home page. Okay, makikita nyo dito yung home page, yung biography ko, yung Tarot Services and more. Andyan yung prayers, bracelets, and amulets. Yung 18K gold-plated crystal necklace. Yung crystal bracelet for men and women. Yung mga oils, candle, sage and bath, eye amulets. So, andyan din po yung aking Facebook page link. I-click nyo lang ito. Kunyari, gusto nyong makilala ako. So, punta kayo sa biography. Click nyo yung biography na yan. Automatic, may ibang lalabas na isang page. So, andyan. Basahin nyo lang yan. Makikita nyo yung aking educational background, yung mga courses na tinake ko. Ayan, hindi ko pa nalagay yung certificates ko dyan. Soon, I will also include here, ilalagay ko din dito yung mga certificates ko. Okay? Ayan. So, medyo mahaba-haba yan. Punta na naman tayo sa Tarot Services and more. I-click nyo lang yan. Okay, lalabas dyan. I-explain kung bakit 15K yung all-in-one spiritual package Tarot Services ko. Andyan yung description. Basahin nyo lang dyan kung bakit 15K. And for those of you who are interested sa spell jars, andito rin. Ayan. Mag-message lang kayo sa akin sa Facebook page. Okay? Now, to make sure na ako pong na-follow nyo sa Facebook page at hindi yung mga scammers, andito po yung link. I-click nyo lang yung Facebook page. Ayan, i-click nyo. Lalabas po yung Facebook page ko. Okay? Next, punta tayo sa Evil Eye Amulets. Okay. Andito yung description, ano yung mga evil eye amulets, para saan, anong benefits. So, andyan nakasulat. Now, if gusto nyo ng bracelet, ito yung pyrite, yung iba pronunciation pyrite, okay, 1,980 each, may kasamang freebies. Andyan yung description, andyan yung explanation, ano mga benefits, ano mga uses, instructions kung paano gamitin or paano how to take care of your jewelries. Andyan yung evil eye. I-click natin yung picture. Okay. Yan yung price, 390. Andito rin yung nakasulat yung mga prices. Now, if hindi nyo alam paano bumili dito, okay, kung wala kayong PayPal, just take a screenshot of this item. Screenshot nyo to at ipadala nyo po sa akin sa Facebook page. I-message nyo po sa akin dito. Okay, na yan ang mga gusto nyong kunin. Para pag gusto nyong bumili, para alam ko yung gusto nyong bilhin. Dito nyo titignan sa website ko yung mga items. I also have mga crystal bracelet for men and women. Hindi pa nakumpleto yan, pero soon makakumpleto na. So, each picture, i-click nyo lang para makita nyo yung mga description, anong mga benefits. This one is 500, yung malachite with rose quartz. Ayan. And also ask if available pa, mga madam ha, kasi sa website, minsan hindi ko na-update yung website ko. Minsan meron doon nakalagay sold out pero available. Minsan nakalagay na available pero sold out. Okay, just ask kung available pa. Again, take screenshot of the item. Yan, screenshot nyo yan at ipadala nyo sa akin sa Facebook page ko. Along with the price, kung meron price, ayan. Take screenshot of the item. What else? I also have mga oils. Okay, oils and candles. I have kajiput. I-click nyo lang yung mga picture na yan to see the description and the prices. Ayan. Always click here. Marami pa kayong madidiscover. And for prayers, libre lang ang mga, mga prayer. Pwede nyong tignan, pwede nyong kopyahin, pwede nyong screenshot, pwede nyong Libre lang dito tumingin ng mga prayers ko. Libre ninyong ma-access. Kagaya niyan, all-in-one red string prayer. Sa mga nakabili ng all-in-one red string, dito niyo makikita yung mga prayers at sa mga ibang items. Okay? Yan lang muna ang na-include ko ngayon. Soon, all will be included there. At sa mga 18 gold plated crystal necklace, andyan yung mga pictures. Just take a screenshot. Like kung gusto niyo yung rose quartz, take a screenshot of this item at isend you again sa akin sa Facebook page. No, andyan yung price, 390 po. 390 na po, dating 500. Mikana quality yung mga yan ha, mga madam, sa mga nakakabili ng Mikana. Ganyan po ang quality. The same with Mikana. I think that's all it. Marami pa actually, mga bracelet. I have also jade. Mga jade dito. Ayan. This is to prove na talagang quality. Tignan nyo yung video dyan. Ayan, yung video. Nakalagay yung mga video dyan to really to see. Para makita nyo yung quality ng jade ko. Okay. Ayan yung description. Take a screenshot of the item na gusto nyo kunin at basahin nyo yung mga yan, mga madam. Diyan nakalagay yung mga uses and benefits. Ayan, yan dyan yung all-in-one bread string. And ito yung Rui. Okay, marami pa akong i-include dito. Wala lang akong time. And that's it. Okay? So, ayan yung Facebook page. Isend nyo lang sa akin dito sa Facebook page ko. Bono Magis, yung mga screenshot ninyo, mga item na gusto nyong bilhin. So, ayan po ang instruction kung paano maka-order. Wala pong COD, mga madam, ha? And by the way, okay, for more information, please also don't forget to read the frequently asked questions. Andito na lahat yung mga posible ninyong katanungan sa akin. Bakit walang COD? Kailan marireceive? Ano yung mga ritual? Lahat na dito yung mga questions, possible questions, mga frequently asked questions, mga laging tinatanong ng mga customer ko. Andito, basahin nyo para baka same din kayo ng katanungan. Dito na yung mga sagot. Okay? Sa frequently asked questions. So that's it, mga madam. Maraming salamat, mga madam and sir. Thank you so much for listening for the instructions on how to place an order. Ingat po and God bless.